Hi everyone, this is Praveen Dore from DICE University, and in today's video we are going to take a look at the introduction of Octomob Push Traffic Network tutorial. Let's go! Welcome to today's video on the Octomob, guys. So this is the review that I really wanted to make, not only for you guys but for myself itself. You know why? Because Octomob is one of the networks that I have no idea what it's about. I have actually heard about Octomob like one or two times, but it's actually a very shady type of ad network. I'm not saying that it's a scam network. No, I'm not saying that. There is reviews on the internet regarding the Octomob, like there's positive reviews and all this kind of stuff, but the reviews are very limited, and the people surrounding the Octomob, it's actually very less, the details that you actually can get regarding the Octomob. So that's why this review is actually not only for you guys, but it's also for me, where I'm going to learn as much as possible on the Octomob, because this is like the first time I'm doing a review in order to judge this particular ad network on the term of the scammy and the shady kind of stuff. I'm not talking about the efficiency. I'm not talking about the function yet. I'm just talking to clarify this main thing. So basically that's about it. So let's get into today's video. So Octomob is actually an advertising network that offers push notification, pop, and redirect traffic. So they do give you a real personal account manager and also have an automatic campaign optimization available, which is like an AI within their dashboard. So let's go ahead and learn about the Octomob themselves. So what they actually say is they're a multi-channel advertising network. So the performance based on popunder, redirect, and push traffic, like I told you. So you can actually read more. So the more is actually the services, lead generation, performance-based traffic, and their ad format is 3 of this ad format, and what we offer to our advertisers. So I think they created this with ClickFunnels. I'm not pretty sure, but it looks like ClickFunnels, and everything is like very cartoonish. Would I say that it looks like a very huge ad network? Does it look like something that can make you money? Definitely not. Definitely in the creative sense I'm talking. So what they actually offered to our advertisers, so they are not talking about publishers at all over here, as you can see. So they're only talking about their advertisers, because they are only for advertising. So they do have personal account manager. This is something which is very good. Automatic optimization algorithm, precision targeting, detailed statistics, and API, which means they do have their own targeting system, smart and helpful support. So as you can see over here, the Octomob was from the year 2015. So they have been running for 5 years. This is their contact email. This is their live support. But you can actually see there's no other details on them. If you go ahead and see the contact, so this about it. That's about it on their page, guys. This is their whole page. There's no section. Let's oh, there's a section on about us. So let's go ahead and check out this section on the about us. That's absolutely funny, guys. You can actually see when you actually click the about us section. I was waiting for quite some time. I thought it was loading and something is wrong with my internet and all this kind of stuff. But literally, when you actually click on the about us section, there's nothing appear, which means this section is null and void. There's nothing in this section, guys. That's why I say this is actually a very shady type of ad network, which is very scary, guys. So there's no details about who's their background, where is their office, and all this kind of stuff. All they have is a contact email as well as a Skype email, which is very bad. This is not something how they should actually perform their business. And they have a null and void in their website itself. This is a section. They do have only 3 sections. One is services, and one is contacts, which is over here, and the last one, the first one is about us, and there's no about us. I actually went and took this URL over here, the about us, and then I paste it back and I check it. Nothing is happening with the Octomob. So whatever said and done, all we got to do is go ahead and sign in into the Octomob. And since they are only for advertisers, there's no publishers, so basically they are only concentrating on the advertisers. And let's go ahead and you have to sign up first, and then you can actually go ahead and sign in. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign in. I've already signed up with the Octomob. Let's go ahead and check out the dashboard of the Octomob. So when you go ahead and hit the sign in button, this is our email, and we're gonna sign in, and you know what happened? 500 error. Do you know what these 500 errors actually means? Let me show you. So the error 500 means it's an internal server problem, which means something is actually wrong with them. It's not wrong with us. We did not type anything wrongly. We not do anything wrongly. It's something wrong with them. You can actually see the 500 internal error is a very general HTTP code, means something has gone wrong with the website server, but the server could not be specific on what exactly the problem is. So it's regarding their own website server, and this is bad, guys. They do not have sections. You cannot sign in. I literally have no idea regarding this particular ad network at all, and literally I don't know why they do have a online positive review on this particular ad network as well. Maybe they was performing very well previously, but now this is the case of the Octomob. It's shady, it's bad, 100% not recommendable. I can actually say 200% not recommendable. And what's the purpose you're gonna actually get into this Octomob, guys? You can't even sign in into their dashboard. So what's the purpose, right? So everything is wrong with the Octomob, and this is one of the reasons that why I don't actually believe in internet reviews, because they just want to promote Octomob. Maybe they do have like a referral program and all this kind of stuff. So since they just want to promote, they give bullshit, bogus reviews, guys, bogus comments and all this kind of stuff. Basically, my final conclusion and my final verdict on the Octomob is this is a bullshit software, guys. This is a bullshit advertising network. 100% you can't use it. Maybe they do have an internal problem like with your dashboard and all that, but still there's no about us section. Things are so shady. You should be as transparent as possible, but you're not being transparent at all. You are being very, very non-transparent. I have no idea what's happening with the Octomob. If you have the idea on what's happening with the Octomob, you can go ahead and comment in the video below, and also I can actually learn from you. I have no ego in learning from you guys. So if you guys know something, you share to me. If I know something, I share to you, and that's how a healthy ecosystem is built, and that's what we are doing in the DICE University with our forum, with our university. We are building a healthy ecosystem. So that's about it in today's video, guys. I know today's video was short. I know today's video does not have a lot of information, but still I really hope that you could actually use the information from today's video and judge Octomob by yourself. But personally, 200%, this is not the advertising network that you want to be in. There's a lot of other advertising networks, guys. Go ahead and choose one of them. Don't choose Octomob. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll be seeing you in the next one. But before I go,
allow me to introduce the DICE University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the DICE University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.